Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. Guys, on our channel, MySQL video series is going on. This is lecture 4 of this series wherein I will be explaining you the insert command in MySQL using which we insert data inside our tables. This is lecture 4 and lecture 1 to 3 has already been uploaded on our channel. So make sure that after watching this video, you watch those videos as well. And guys, do not forget to hit that subscribe button because more such videos regarding MySQL video series will be coming in future wherein I will be explaining different concepts to you. So don't miss those updates as well. Okay. So now guys, let's start this video, and before starting the video, please hit the like button as well as the subscribe button for this channel. Okay, so guys, the topics that will be covered in this video is what is insert command, what is the syntax of insert command, and what is when we will write the insert command query in MySQL Workbench. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, so first of all, what is insert command? So insert command is used to insert new records in table. In previous video, I have told you how to make this percent table. Okay, now this is the data, that is Anmol, Ashish, and the information of that person is stored in this table. So this is the data that have been inserted in this table. So how we will insert the data? So we will be using the insert command to insert each and every row inside the database, inside this table. Okay. So let's just now see the syntax of insert command. So syntax of insert command is there are two types of syntax in insert command. Okay. First one is insert into table name. In our case, the table name is person. So insert into person. Then you will have to mention the column 1 name, column 2 name, column 3 name, and so on. You will have to mention the column names. Then there will be keyword values, and then you will be mentioning the values of those columns. Okay, so value 1 will be mapped here from column 1, value 2 will be mapped to column 2, and value 3 will be mapped to column 3. So on, this will go on. Another syntax for inserting is insert into table name, again insert into person, values. Here you will just have to provide the values, not the column name, value 1, value 2, value 3, and this value 1 will automatically get mapped to column 1, value 2 will automatically get mapped to column 2, and so on. So now you will ask me that which command to use when. So let's just quickly jump on to the MySQL Workbench wherein I will be showing you these two commands. Okay, and I will be telling you that which command you will have to use when. Okay, so in last video I have made this table, that is select star from person. Let's just run it. Okay, I made this person table in last video. So here you can see that this table is empty. It has column person name, address, mobile, occupation, date of birth. Now let's quickly insert the values inside this table using the queries that I have told you. So this is the first insert query. Okay, see here the syntax is insert into person, and then we will be mentioning the column names, that is the column that we want to enter, that is person name is there, address is there, mobile is there, occupation, date of birth. Okay, then the keyword is value, and then we are uh, putting in the values of those columns. Let's just quickly run this query. Okay, so when we will run this query, you can see here one row has been inserted. Let's again do select star from person. You can see here one row has been inserted here. Okay, now let's just quickly run the second query for the insert. Here the second query is simple, that is the second query that I've shown you here, wherein we will do not have to mention any column name, just the values we have to mention. Okay, so here you can see that insert into person, then the values, this value will automatically map to column 1, this value to column 3, and similarly this value to column 5. Let's just quickly run this query. Okay, so again you can see here one row is affected, and if we will do select star from person, now two rows will be seen here, that is Anmol and Sakshi and their respective information. Now you will ask again that what is the difference between these two queries? Why can't I only use this query only? This is very much simple. So now here comes my answer. See here in this. Okay, so guys, in this particular query, you have the entire information about that person. That is, the name of the person is Sakshi, the address is this, number is this, occupation is this, and date of birth is this. So if you have all the information regarding that person, then this query is very good for inserting the data. Now let's just suppose there is a case wherein you do not know about the date of birth and mobile of that person. You only have three information. You have person name, you have address, you have occupation. Currently you have three columns information, but in future there you might know the mobile number also and date of birth also. So in that case, currently we just give the column names explicitly in which we want to enter our data. So for example, person name we have given, address we have given, occupation we know. So we have given the value of name as Ashish, address as blog, and occupation as CA. So in this case, a limited information is present with us currently, but in future we might know more about that person. So now we have inserted the limited information currently. Now let's just again see into the percent table. You can see here only the information that is known to us currently has been updated inside this row. Now in future we can add more things to it, like mobile number also we can update, but at present we only have limited information. So in that case we can use this type of query, we will in which we have to mention our column name explicitly. But if we have the entire knowledge about the person for which we are inserting the data, then we can use this query. Okay, so I hope now the doubt is clear to you. And guys, make sure that you're subscribing this channel. This was it for this video, and make sure to subscribe and like this video, because more such concepts related to MySQL will be posted on this channel. Thank you for watching this video.